Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix FragPunk no audio. So first up, what you need to make sure of is that your volume icon right here, you'll find the devices. So just make sure that the device that you're using for your audio output is selected accordingly. So for example, if you're using an earpiece like I am, then make sure it's set to headphones or whichever is its equivalent right here. Or if you're using, let's say, an external speaker or external speakers, then make sure it's selected as well. So this one for speakers. So all you have to do is make sure that the specific device output is selected. Also, just make sure that it's not muted. And you can also check the volume mixer by right-clicking the volume icon and then open volume mixer. And in here, you can check each application if they're muted or if they're at max volume. Another thing you can check is the open sound settings. So here, again, just make sure that the device output is selected. And then you can check advanced sound options where you can reset to the Microsoft recommended defaults. And if you do that, you can also go ahead and restart your computer so that it can reflect its changes. It's also worth trying to restart your FragPunk app to check if that fixes the issue. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.